Okay, so I would like to begin with, this one. First of all, we talk about the like term and unlike term. So when we talk about like term and unlike term, we talk about some terms together. So sometimes you can see in an expression, you can see different terms there. And if they have the same letter or same variable with the same index, then they are like term. If they do not have the same letter or the same variable, then that is not like term. Okay, you can only deal with like terms for addition and subtraction, but for unlike terms you can deal with it for multiplication, okay, and sometimes factorization later. Okay, so first of all, I should know that for this one, okay, you can see this is what we call a polynomial. If you can see a polynomial, that means the index must be an integer, okay? And that should be positive, okay? It must be positive. That means you have something like this. If you have a expression like this, this is not a polynomial, okay? Not a polynomial, okay? And if you can see it, okay, like this one, in this polynomial, we call it a monomial because you only have one term. Okay, if you have two terms like this one, this is binomial. Okay, binomial. And if you have more than two terms, like three terms, like this one, then this is what we call a trinomial. So basically, you should know these items. And then if you have to deal with this one, okay, you should know that this is what we call a descending order, okay, of the power, okay, of x. Okay, so you can see that in the beginning, the power of x will be 2, and then the power become 1, and at the end, you do not see any x there. And this term will be what we call the constant term, okay, the constant term, okay. And sometimes if you do not see a positive sign there, instead you see a negative sign, that means if you have, okay, 2x plus 3x minus 1, in this case, this time, negative 1 will be the constant term, okay? And this is what you should know, okay? And then if you're going to talk about the degree of a polynomial, okay, degree of a polynomial, you should know that for a monomial, you already have the degree, okay? The degree will be the index here, okay? So if you have more than one variable, then you have to add them all together. So for this one, the degree will be equals to 1 plus 2. So that is 3. And sometimes, so many students, they forget that there will be a hidden 1. A hidden 1 here. So sometimes if you have a polynomial like this, okay, then you may wonder what should be the degree. So you have to count it one by one. So this one, 2 plus 1. The degree of this monomial will be 3. And the degree of this one will be 1 plus 4. Okay, here. So the degree will be 5 of this one. So when you consider a monomial, that it's 5, but if you are going to consider this polynomial, the degree will be the larger one, so that you know that in this case, this is equals to 5 for the degree, okay, for the degree. Okay, so hereby you should understand the meaning of degree and also the constant term, and also about the descending, okay, the meaning of descending, okay, and also the meaning of like term and unlike terms.